Hello and welcome. This is Lisa Howard, and I'm bringing you another video regarding my documentary on online sales and entrepreneurship. This channel is all about utilizing online resources to generate extra income. So I'm doing a documentary right now on my tactics and the stuff that I'm doing in business to get customers. So with that being said, so I sent out 50 emails on Sunday to 50 different businesses, and I haven't gotten any response back from any of them. So with that being said, I want to show you how I find the email, because I communicate through email unless somebody sends me a message back and wants to speak. So I communicate through email, and I'll show you how I find the emails to, if you are promoting to a business, if you have a product or service that you promote to businesses, I can show you how to reach people on there from the Facebook information. So this is me on my Facebook page. So what I do, if I want to reach out to say chiropractors, I would go chiropractors, in Atlanta. So once you do that, you go to right here, pages, and you click on pages. So that means it's a Facebook page. It's not a profile or a group. So if you wanted to reach out to say there's the Balance Atlanta Family Chiropractor, so you click there, and in her about information, you can click that to find her email if she made it public. If not, then you just move on to the next one, and that's how you find the email. So you go to about, and that's the information to get in touch with her. You call her or visit her business, and she does not have an email listed, so I wouldn't be able to email her. So I go back and I find someone else who does, just so I can show you where the email would be. And my computer's slow. So okay, so now we're back on chiropractors in Atlanta pages, in let's see, Midtown Life. All right, and so I go to about, and then the about information shows up, and there's the contact information. So that's the call, and that's his office email, and that's the website. So if you want to start a campaign and email businesses for, I create WordPress websites. So that's why I reach out to business owners who might want to get online if they're not online. Even if they're online, you know, I also do the sales pages that can be in addition to their website. So those are the things that I reach out to businesses about. So if that's something you can do, if that's something you want to do, that's how you find the email. If you want to call different businesses about your product or service, then you can do that. So but with that, the emails that I find on Facebook, a lot of times they don't work. Because, let me show you, I get a lot of, like, this is the emails that I sent out. So I got like 7 of them back saying that the email didn't work. And when I did the marketing magazine that I got, that I didn't get that. I got like maybe 1 or 2 out of 15 that wasn't a good email. So I find that when you use the Facebook emails, maybe businesses don't put the real, I don't know. It's just that I get a lot of these mail delivery subsystems notifications when I try to use the Facebook email. So I'm gonna change things up a bit and see where it goes with me obtaining information in other places besides Facebook. I still could use Facebook to do advertising, but as far as getting the information off of Facebook's page, that hasn't been it hasn't been something that's been given me good results. So with that being said, that is where I am this week. So not a lot of traction, not a lot of things happening this week, but we just got to keep moving. The documentary is for 6 months, and we will see where I am in 6 months, and we can see where you are in 6 months. So if you have anything that you want to say, any comments, or if there's something you're doing that's that could help me, because we're here to help each other. So if there's something that you're doing that you think may benefit me, then you can just put that down in the comments, like and subscribe, and I will be back to you next time. Thank you for watching.